is the Lee Bazaar. Lee Jaluke. Way to Jaluke. Way to Dimapur. This is the Oli Bazaar. This is Jaluke town, as you can see at the back. This is the taxi stand for Dimapur. This is the complex. P Multiplex Memory Bike. Slowly we go off right now, and here we go. I got my friend out here. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Thank you.
Hi, Akapiu eh. His name is Mr. John. Mr. John Buddy. Hi Buna, hi see. My best friend. Si Akapiu eh. I will go blog I see 2024. The first blog to the West. One harm bo.